Hello guys, welcome to IndianExpress.com. We are here to talk about Bigg Boss. And yesterday was a nomination special episode. We have Arushi with us who's going to talk about what special was this time. So Arushi, tell us what was special this time.
So this time the challengers, the wildcard entries challenged the housemates who are already in the house, and they had to beat them so that they can replace them in the house. But I think the task was a bit disappointing because nobody stayed in the dome for a much longer time, and the first one to walk out of that dome was none other than Rahul Dev, and he yet again didn't perform in the task, and he was the first one to lose his patience and he came out of the dome, and I suppose he'll get nominated as it was the nomination task. But the main highlight of the task was Bani and Priyanka Jagga. Though I think that even the audience was expecting a much heated conversation, a tough fight between both of them, but exactly opposite was happening inside the house.
And in fact they both मतलब जो वो निकले डोम से, they were the best sisters of the house, which was very very interesting to see because we never thought that Bani and Priyanka could gel up.
Yeah, seeing their like what happened in the past and what actually Priyanka Jagga's take was on Bani's behavior and everything, we thought that both of them would again be into a fight and something else will happen.
What's also interesting is that this bonding happened over Mona Lisa. And because both of them do not like her somehow, and Priyanka Jagga has a mindset that she wants to break the trio in the house of Manveer, Manoj and Mona, and she wants to keep commoners and celebrities away from each other, and she wants to come back as it happened in the first week.
So don't you think this is like dushman ka dushman dost thing, that Priyanka Jagga and Bani are gelling over Mona Lisa since both of them don't like Mona Lisa?
Right.
And then we saw Priyanka Jagga flirting with Manoj Punjabi. Now this is very much clear that she is doing this only because she wants to break their friendship. She knows that Mona Lisa does not accept Manu talking to somebody else, especially any other girl in the house.
And the fact that she was telling कि तुम्हारा बाहर image अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है, तुम्हारी wife, she said, as far as I could hear. We didn't know that Manoj is married.
We only heard that he has a girlfriend.
Yeah, girlfriend. So basically she was telling him that तुम अपना ख्याल रखो, बाहर उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, she's not able to watch this show, which is not good for the show as well. But Manu seems very adamant about the fact that he wants to keep his friendship ahead of everything else.
I suppose he is a good friend, but we cannot even miss Swami Om. What he did yesterday in the episode, first he ate meat. He was like, मैं बाद में जाके प्रायश्चित कर लूंगा और मेरे गुरु मुझे माफ कर देंगे. And then next it was his beard. Lopamudra shaved off his beard and he was all in a new avatar. So the cool avatar. So next I think tomorrow we'll get to know that who will be the 4 nominated contestants for this week. So stay tuned and know who will get nominated for eliminations from this week. Thanks for watching.